Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to get a custom ringtone on your iPhone iOS 18. For example, if you want to use a ringtone of yourself, which means you want to add a ringtone of yourself on your iPhone and do not want to use default ringtones on your iPhone, so how you can get that? What you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, we have to make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi internet connection. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings, and here you have to go to general, and after that you have to click on transfer reset iPhone. Here you have to click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. Now what you have to do, you have to go to settings again, and after that you have to go to sound and haptics, and here you can simply find the ringtones option available. But if you do not want to use that ringtone and you want to add a customized ringtone, then you first of all you have to simply create that ringtone. For this you have to download and install an app which named as GarageBand on your iPhone. So you can simply create a ringtone from audio file using that app. So you have to simply download it from the App Store, and after that you have to simply open it and you have to add that song on your GarageBand app, and after that you can simply select that uh, audio portion on your GarageBand app, and after that you can simply download and share that button. Then you can simply click on the ringtone, and after that you can simply name it a ringtone, and after that you can use it as use sound as. So you have to click on replace the current general ringtone to the standard ringtone. In this way you can simply use a default ringtone by customize ringtone. So you have to simply create that ringtone for yourself or using GarageBand. So you have to make sure about that. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.